Hello everybody, welcome back for another video. Hope everyone's doing well and having a great day. So first up, the Chicago Board Options Exchange, the CBOE, the same people who have created one of the first Bitcoin futures markets to launch, has apparently filed this week with the SEC, the US Securities and Exchange Commission, to list 6 brand new ETFs. 6 at one time. According to their website, they are attempting to add the First Trust Bitcoin Strategy ETF, the First Trust Inverse Bitcoin Strategy ETF, the Granite Shares Bitcoin ETF, the Granite Shares Short Bitcoin ETF, the Rex Bitcoin Strategy ETF, and the Rex Short Bitcoin Strategy ETF. A lot of words. And this comes just 11 days after the launch of their Bitcoin futures market. So what's interesting about these ETFs in particular that they are trying to push forward, other proposed ETFs in the past were launched to try and track Bitcoin itself. These would be ETFs that would track the performance of Bitcoin futures. So fingers are crossed for this one among many major investors, as original ETFs that were proposed in the past were aimed at tracking Bitcoin exclusively, and this is why many of them are believed to have failed, because they don't want something as risky as Bitcoin being, followed, but they say the futures market could be a lot easier. So there's no official date as to when these will or could be accepted or launched, but many firms have started pushing through propositions for ETFs. I don't know if you remember the couple videos ago, I think like 12 of them have happened so far. It's kind of crazy. So eventually people assume one of them will make it through, which is going to be a very big day for cryptocurrencies. So next up, ETRADE, an incredibly popular traditional trading platform, I should say, has finally bit the bullet and has announced that they will be supporting CBOE Bitcoin futures for their clients. Just take a moment and try and realize how significant this is. One of the largest companies and platforms to trade stocks is now offering its clients something that they made fun of just a few years ago. So this comes direct from their website. They will offer what they call powerful tools and services, integrated mobile and web futures trading, the ability to trade futures listed on CME, ICE, US, and CFE, and added support for XBT, CBOE, Bitcoin futures, and additional support for licensed future specialists. So I personally think it's only a matter of time before every financial institution kind of jumps on board as well. We've already seen banks just a couple of days ago trying to allow people to store their cryptocurrencies with them. My, how times have changed. So last up, it is grain of salt time. This appears to be almost half rumor and half not rumor. According to Bloomberg, word going around town is that Goldman Sachs is setting up their own cryptocurrency trading platform. This will be, they say, as far as news goes, this will be up and running by the middle of 2018. So Bloomberg made sure not to mention exact sources on this, but they said that at the moment, Goldman Sachs is figuring out exactly how the system will work and how they will deal with the custody of digital assets on their platform. According to Bloomberg, if this is true, this will make Goldman Sachs the largest firm on Wall Street to make a move like this with cryptocurrencies, which would be absolute madness, as this comes almost completely against what Goldman Sachs has said in the past. The CEO noting that they had no intention of even getting involved with Bitcoin, and the CEO a couple of days ago, he said that Bitcoin just wasn't for him. So this is kind of murky, if you will, that this is kind of all happening. This is only a few months away from happening if this does happen. And as we dive quicker into 2018, I'm sure more news about this will become available. Just absolutely crazy what's happening. They hate us and then they love us because they see what kind of money they can make. But yeah, that is definitely going to do it for this video. As always, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys are having a great day wherever you might be, whatever holiday you are celebrating. I hope it is amazing. Yeah. Thank you once again for all the support, and I will talk to you all soon. See you.